Hello children. In the previous class you already studied about what is median and the formula of median. So today we are going to do problems related to median. So in a class there are 30 students and the weight of each student is recorded and it is tabulated. So weight in kgs and number of students, it is tabulated like this. So between 40 to 45 there are 2 students. Between 45 to 50 there are 3 students. Between 50 to 55 there are 8 students. Between 55 to 66 like this. So this is weight in kgs is taken as the class interval and the number of students is frequency. Next you have to make a column here. This is called as cumulative frequency. You have to add up. That is, this is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. Okay. So now here you have the formula for median. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now you have to find the values of L, N by 2, CF, F and H from the given table. Substitute them in the formula and find what is the median. So first, to find the median, you need to add up all the values of the frequency and it is taken as N. If you add up, it will be equal to 30 because we got 30 here. Then you have to find out what is N by 2. That is 15. Why we have to do N by 2 is median is the value which divides the entire data into 2 equal parts. Now you have to find out where is this 15 in cumulative frequency. So if you don't have 15, you have to see for the value which is greater than 15. So greater than 15 is 13 here in the cumulative frequency. So this is called as the median class. So you should be very careful in identifying the median class. And the lower limit is taken as L and this is taken as F. And the value above the median class in the cumulative frequency, here this is taken as CF. And H is the difference between the upper and the lower limits. So upper and the lower limits difference is same. So if you take 60 minus 55, it is 5. So H is 5 here. Now we got all the values. You have to substitute in the formula. So median is equal to, what is L? L is 55 plus N by 2 is 15 minus CF. What is CF? CF is 13 by F. What is F? F is 6 into H. What is H here? H is 5. So simplify it. So 55 plus 2 by 6 into 5. So 2 5s is 10. So 55 plus 2 into 5 is 10 by 6. So simplify it. We'll get 55 plus 10 by 6 is 10 divided by 6. So I'll get it as 6 ones are 6. This is 4.0. 6 6 are 36. Again 4. So again you'll get 6 6 are 36. And it continues like this. So 1.66 so on. So if you add up, it will be equal to 56.66. So the median weight is 56.6 kgs. So this is taken as the median weight. So in this way we have to find the median. So you have assignment for you, that is in exercise 15.3, find the median of the given data in the 6th question. This is your assignment. Do it as homework. In this way we have to find the median.